Hi, Vortex here. It is day 78 on trail, and we are leaving Port Clinton, Hamburg area. Day 77 was a 0, and I am back with Zippy and Toe Tag. 2 days ago, they came in town a little bit earlier. I was still on the mountain, had no idea that there was a tornado warning until I got to town. So yesterday we took a 0, we got everything dried off. We spent the day just walking around town. It was an amazing town. Tomorrow we are going to spend the 4th of July at an old PCT friend's, Sloppy's. So that's very exciting. And right now we are just climbing up, and there's supposed to be some really cool views. So we will see what happens today. Woo!
Yay!
He is like the shittiest day.
Smile, Vortex.
Hi.
Here's where Rock Slovenia gets the name from. Woo! It's a lot of thunder coming our way. Non-stop thunder. It's just non-stop. Oh dear. Oof. And we're back to summer. What you doing? What you doing? Do you want to tell us what you're making?
Well, I will be making Rice Krispie treats.
Rice Krispie treats for 4th of July. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Treating us, spoiling us, you are.
Just to go with the taco theme.
Yeah.
Very on point.
Whiskey. Whiskey. What you doing? Those big ears. He smells the Rice Krispie treats. You can tell that Whiskey's working really hard on this production line. He's there for moral support.
He always does.
What do you want to tell us what you're making?
Guacamole.
Well, I am part of the guacamole scooping class.
I'm a camera crew documenting 4th of July prep. Can you tell us what you're doing over here?
Roasting veggies for salsa.
Oh, amazing.
Tomatoes, jalapenos, poblanos,
Wow.
and garlic.
Amazing.
Do you hit it?
See regrets. I don't even made it, but it's beautiful. Yeah.
Fireball!
Happy birthday, America! Happy birthday, America! Hey, good morning, beautiful people. It is day 80 on the AT, and we are just getting out of our zero. And yeah, we had a great time going into Millville with Sloppy from the PCT.
You may remember Sloppy from earlier episodes, such as Stevens Pass and beyond on the PCT. He very kindly picked us up to celebrate 4th of July.
Yeah.
So we had a really good time.
Yeah, thank you, Sloppy.
You're welcome, guys.
Thank you, Steve and Jocelyn. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna hit the trail again, and we head towards Delaware Water Gap and get out of Pennsylvania. But we definitely got some interesting sections coming up. So yeah.
Some rocks to contend with, but we're excited.
Yeah, let's do this.
Rocks, roots, and rattlesnakes.
Yeah.
Their trouser leg. The bugs.
You would think that's mosquitoes, but really it's the black fly.
There's one right in front of your face.
Yeah, they are getting
They are
bad.
terrible. They are terrible.
Yeah.
Up your nose, in your eyeball, in your mouth, in your ears. Good morning. This is day 81. We had a short day yesterday because we didn't get back on trail till lunchtime after 4th of July. And today we're gonna have some interesting terrain again. We just bumped into some trail maintainers there that warned us that up ahead's gonna be pretty much like climbing over boulders and pretty exposed. We're gonna be coming up on the Knife's Edge first, Bake Oven Knob and Lehigh Gap. Lehigh Gap is looking pretty hardcore. So like a really steep down and steep up over boulders. So it's gonna be probably a hard day of hiking. Hoping to do 20 miles today, depending on what the pace is like. So that's all for now on day 81. Here we go. A big bird. Massive thank you and shout out to Jim who just trail magicked us there.
Thank you, Jim.
Thank you so much. At the bottom of Lehigh Gap, he came and brought some beer and food and water, which is very appreciated in this section. It's a very dry section. And so we're powered up and we're about to climb up, literally climb up Lehigh Gap, or the other side of it. Steep, scrambly. We're gonna be using our arms and our legs, whoop, in this one. So yeah, we're all fired up and ready to go. So thank you, Jim.
Thank you again. Really nice
Straight up. Woohoo! Just out of our Lehigh Gap experience, probably one of the most dreaded parts in this area, but we loved it. You tell him, Jordan.
Yeah, what an amazing little climb that was. It was just intricate scrambling at some parts, but just really unique, and it's worth, like, it's something that's hard to work for, you know, was worth it at the end. Like the views were amazing of the river down below. Oh man.
It was fun. It was technical. You know, you wouldn't want to have your trekking poles out. You are using your hands, and you're a bit afraid of heights maybe. I mean, as long as you're going up, like there's no like sheer drops or anything. It's just a steep scramble. Lovely scramble. Loved it. Probably one of our favorite sections so far in the AT. Just changed it up a little, and the descent down into the gap was amazing. Amazing views on the way up. 10 out of 10. Would scramble again. Lehigh Gap. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 82 on the AT, and yeah, we got another day of Rocksylvania today. It's kind of a continuation of yesterday, but yeah, we were looking to go past Smith's Gap and Wind Gap, and we'll probably go past Wolf Rocks, and looking to do like a 23-mile day if we can make it work with all the tough terrain today, but elevation gain isn't much, so that helps us out. Weather's a little foggy, but the weather forecasts are kind of split about maybe getting rain later today, maybe not, so we'll see what we get. But other than that, we just gotta keep on trudging along, and we'll be at Pennsylvania by tomorrow, so at least we got that going for us. Or last night we did have visitor.
Yes, I just wanted to talk about the visitor to my tent last night. Just as I was kind of lying down to go to sleep, I'm hearing all this noise in the bushes, and usually I'd be really scared, but I was brave last night, and I went outside of my tent in the dark, put my head torch on, shone into the bushes, and I could see all the ferns moving, coming towards my tent. And I was like, oh, what's it gonna be? Thinking like a bird's gonna pop out. And then a big porcupine pops out at the other side, just behind my tent. Huge porcupine. And it was not bothered. It just came out of the bushes and then just kept going. So that was really cool to see. Also, talking about wildlife at outside the tents. The night before, I had these humongous cockroaches. Like, they were so big I thought it was mice, and I could see them moving my trekking pole straps, and I thought, that's weird, but you know, it's not mice, so I'm not worried. Anyway, they chewed on my trekking pole strap. I didn't even know that was possible. So much so they were just hanging on by a thread, so I've had to do some repairs on it last night, and hopefully they stick together, but there you go. Never knew that cockroaches could cause so much damage. But anyway, that's all for Animal Planet on the AT for today. We're off to do day 82. Woohoo! Oh, it might be umbrella time, Jordan. Getting breakfast burgers.
Every time, it's the same thing every time. I think I walk in and they...
Hey, big shout out to Spice Rack, Wardrobe, and Pooh Bear for some great trail magic right now.
Magic.
Yeah, they hiked it in 2020 and 2021, and they're legends. So yeah, we appreciate it. And yeah, happy hiking.
Veggie burger.
And veggie burgers.
Yeah, special mention for the veggie burger. Thank you so much. That was so cool.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you all.
continues.
910 miles until Katahdin.
Camping there tonight.
That's where we're heading. Wow. These trees.
Sun's beautiful.
Good morning. Today is day 83 and today we are finishing up Pennsylvania, which is quite exciting. It hasn't been half as bad as we thought it was going to be after hearing all the horror stories about rocks, although it definitely has been rocky and challenging on the old feet, but it's been amazing. And we're excited to get into New Jersey. And today we're going to be calling into Delaware Water Gap, which is a town. It's a popular town for taking a day off, but we've had a good few days off recently, so we might just pop in, resupply, do laundry, shower and pop back out. That's what you call a hero. So you might have heard me talking about a zero is 0 miles, a Nero being nearly 0 miles, but for us we would consider anything sort of 15 or below a Nero. And then a hero is you go into town and you make it back out the trail. So that's the hope. We'll see how that goes, and then we'll be just pushing on through New Jersey and excited for that. So day 83, here we go. Woo. New Jersey! Yeah, bye-bye Pennsylvania! Hello New Jersey!
Hi, Pennsylvania!
Woo! That was a quick flying visit in the Delaware Water Gap. Resupply, showered, ate pizza, and we're straight back to it. And for future reference for any planners out there, the local church has a really cool setup where it's got like a donation-based hostel and you can call in and get a shower and stuff. So that's really cool. So we popped in there just to organize ourselves and we're straight back to it. We're now in New Jersey. We left Pennsylvania, as you saw, as we crossed the bridge. So excited for another state. Continuing on, day 83. 1,300 miles! Woo!